These were the deals that we found at our local Lowe's today. We know that you can find the Black Friday deals in the newspaper or the flyers, so we're here to bring you something else. Found a whole bunch of grill covers that were really deeply discounted. A lot of times you can find great deals on off-season items if you're willing to buy them ahead of time and stash them away. We know that a lot of the Lowe's have done this clearance area, and there can be some good deals there, but you get a lot of really good deals by going up and down the aisles, like this toilet paper holder and this medicine cabinet. We found those elsewhere. Lowe's is beyond the best place to shop for appliances too. There's really good deals on clearance all the time if you're willing to go often and look. I would say almost every single light fixture we have in our house we got at Lowe's on sale. Every Lowe's is a little different, so we don't know what you have in your store, but we're going to keep doing these videos to show you what we find. Subscribe for more details. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you again soon.